Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add borders to specific pages in Microsoft Word. I have 3 pages in the Word document, and I will add border to the middle one. Firstly, select the first page and go to the Layout tab, click on Breaks, and select Continuous under Section Breaks. Now click on the third page and repeat the same process applied on first page. Now click on the middle page and click on the Page Borders option under the Design tab. In the Borders and Shading dialog box, choose your preferred border style and click on Box under the Settings section. To ensure the border is applied only to the current section, select Apply to and choose this section. Click OK to confirm. If you want to apply borders to other pages, simply follow the same procedure for each of the other pages. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tips and tutorials.